Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn about input devices and output devices. A computer is an electronic machine. It works with the help of input, process, and output. First, we give instructions to the computer. Then, the computer processes the data. After that, the computer gives us the result. 1. What are input devices? Input devices are devices that allow humans to send data or instructions to a computer. Computers cannot understand anything by themselves. They need us to give commands. Example. Typing on a keyboard sends letters to the computer. Moving a mouse moves the cursor on the screen. Key point. Input is equal to information sent to the computer. Output is equal to information received from the computer. 2. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common input device. It sends text, numbers, symbols, and commands to the computer. Computers convert this information into binary code, zeros and ones. Types of keyboard. 1. Standard keyboard. Used in almost all desktop computers. 2. Mechanical keyboard. High-quality keyboard for gaming or professional typing. Each key has its own mechanical switch. 3. Ergonomic keyboard. Designed to reduce hand strain. Curved shape for comfortable long typing sessions. 4. Wireless keyboard. Works without wires using Bluetooth or wireless receiver. Portable and flexible. 5. Virtual keyboard. Displayed on a screen, tablet, smartphone, ATM. Input happens by touch, finger or stylus. 3. Mouse. Mouse is an input device that controls the cursor on the screen. Main functions: click, double-click, drag, drop. Used in gaming, designing, or normal computer navigation. Types of mouse. 1. Mechanical ball mouse. Older type of mouse. Uses a ball underneath to move the cursor. Advantage: simple, durable. Disadvantage: dust can affect performance. 2. Optical mouse. Uses LED light to detect movement. No moving parts, low maintenance. 3. Wireless Bluetooth mouse. Works without a cable. Portable and desk-friendly. 4. Gaming mouse. High DPI precise cursor movement. Extra buttons for commands or macros. RGB lighting looks stylish for gamers. 5. Trackball mouse. Mouse stays still, move the ball to control the cursor. Saves desk space. 6. Touchpad trackpad. Common on laptops. Finger gestures control the cursor. Supports pinch, swipe, zoom. 4. Scanner. Scanner is an input device that converts physical documents or images into digital form. Types of scanner. 1. Flatbed scanner. Place document on glass scan. High resolution, used for photos. 2. Sheet-fed scanner. Scans multiple pages quickly. Used in offices. 3. Handheld scanner. Move the scanner by hand to scan documents. Example, barcode scanners in shops. Scanner features. Resolution, DPI determines quality. 5. Microphone. Microphone is an input device that sends our voice or sound to the computer. Types of microphones. 1. Dynamic microphone. General purpose, cheap, durable. 2. Condenser microphone. Studio recording, high sensitivity. 3. USB microphone. Connects directly to the computer via USB. Plug and play. Joystick gamepad. Input device mainly for gaming. Controls character, vehicle, or flight simulator. Components. Directional stick, buttons, triggers. Types. 1. Flight joystick, flight simulator. 2. Gamepad controller, console gaming. 3. Racing wheel, racing games. Touchscreen and stylus. Input happens by finger or stylus. Supports gestures, tap, swipe, pinch, zoom. Types. 1. Resistive touchscreen requires pressure. 2. Capacitive touchscreen finger or stylus, multi-touch supported. 3. Surface stylus digital drawing or design input on tablet. Other input devices. 1. Digital camera, captures photo video input. 2. Barcode reader, scans product info. 3. Graphics tablet, digital drawing or designing. 4. Biometric devices, fingerprint, face, iris scanner. 5. Magnetic stripe reader. Reads ATM or credit cards. Summary. Input devices is equal to human-computer communication. Without input devices, computer cannot perform user commands. Output devices help us see, hear, or get printed information from the computer. 1. Monitor, visual output device. A monitor is the most common output device. It looks like a television screen. CRT monitor, old, heavy, big size. LCD monitor, flat, lightweight. LED monitor, clear display, low power use. 2. Printer, hard copy output device. A printer is an output device that prints information on paper. The printed paper is called a hard copy. Printers are used in schools, offices, banks, shops. 3. Speaker, audio output device. A speaker is an output device that produces sound. Speakers are used to hear music, voice, videos, system sounds. 4. Headphones headset. Headphones are personal audio output devices. They allow only one person to hear sound. 5. Projector, large display output device. A projector displays computer output on a big screen or wall. Projectors are used in classrooms, meetings. 6. Plotter, graphics output device. A plotter is a special output device. It is used to print large drawings and designs. Plotters are used by engineers, architects, designers. 7. Braille output device. Braille output devices are used by blind people. They produce output in Braille language. Examples: Braille printer, Braille display. These devices help visually impaired users read computer data. 8. VR headset, modern output device. A VR headset gives virtual reality output. It shows a 3D environment. It is used in games, training. Conclusion: output devices are very important. Without output devices, we cannot see or hear the result of computer work. They help us understand information, communicate, learn easily, work faster. Common output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphones, projector, and plotter.